Needle painting is a type of embroidery where you use lots of shadings and long and short stitches to create a piece with lots of details and the illusion that you're actually painting with thread. When I first started with embroidery, I loved the look of needle painting, so I really wanted to do that. I immediately started doing that as soon as I learned embroidery, and I think in a month I made my first embroidery piece, and it looked so much better than I imagined. It was much easier than I thought it would be. So I'm really excited to teach you all how to do this in a way that I think is easy and understandable and not so daunting as it looks, because it looks way more difficult than it really is. In this class you're going to stitch along with me to create the fox, and in the beginning I will also have an introduction on how to do the stitches, what materials to use, and all that kind of things. So I hope you will enjoy it.